Mr. Vice President, we stand before you to bring urgent attention to the escalating human rights crisis in Northeast India, particularly in Manipur. For the past 15 months, this region has been gripped by turmoil due to unchecked immigration and an unsecured border. Indigenous communities settled here over a millennium face existential threats as immigrant armed groups driven by illicit opium cultivations and narco-terrorism ravage the region. Cross-border narco-terrorism is surging in Manipur and its neighboring states as reported by UNODC, with over 120,000 acres of illegal opium cultivations. We are witnessing the rise of a new golden triangle in Northeast India. Armed groups protect these activities, fueling violence, drug abuse and extremism. Furthermore, the ongoing violent crisis in Manipur exacerbates local tensions as highlighted in UNHRC, with armed groups exploiting this instability to seize control of resources and territories. We urge the 57th session to pursue the Government of India to prioritize the issue of unchecked immigrations in Northeast India and its impacts on indigenous people's rights. Recognize in response to the narco-terrorism crisis affecting the Manipur region of India as highlighted in recent UNODC and UNHRC reports. Conduct a comprehensive assessment of the environmental impacts of illegal opium cultivations, as these factors threaten global climate change mitigation and food security. We urge this Council to initiate formal discussions and seek international collaborations to address these urgent issues, which threatens indigenous rights and regional stability and environmental efforts. I thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to Family Health Association of Iran.